Hi guys, I am out here with a review on this General Lee cucumber, and here I've got the seed packets, and here you can see, look at how beautiful these are. It's growing right up my fence just as I needed it to do. It's totally cooperated with that. Here I've got a whole lot of them right here. That's a pretty big one. And look at all these little ones. Okay, so let's read this real quick. General Lee, vigorous, long-vined, slicing cucumber that does well in all zones. I am in Zone 5 in Northwest Ohio. The fruit are long and fairly narrow with white spines and an attractive mid-green color. The flavor of this primarily female flower variety is terrific and yields are high. We get many compliments on this variety. I ordered this from Pine Tree, and here's some more of them. And yes, the yields are high. They taste very good. We see a lot of these little female flowers everywhere on here. Let me get up here. So I spread these out so that the pollinators could kind of find them, but what I need to do is just start wrapping them. But they are, once you start them, they're just going to wrap themselves. And here's another good picture of all of this right here. Seems like this is Cucumber Alley over here. Lots and lots of them. And we're not going to be able to eat all of these, so they're either going to need to be pickled, or I can freeze them up. Just cut them and put them on parchment paper and kind of individually freeze them. And then in the winter you can use them for like a NutriBullet shake, especially when you feel dehydrated, you have a cold, you've got the flu. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. They've got a lot of nutrients, a lot of alkaline in there for you. So if we cannot eat all of these fresh, then they will be cut and frozen. But again, these are the General Lee cucumbers, and they are going strong, and I need to get out here and do some picking, it looks like. Let me come back here a little ways so you can kind of see how big it's gotten. It's beautiful. It is a little hard to kind of get around this step. You can see it's kind of getting up to the door here, but that's okay. It's only temporary, and it's giving me lots of beautiful, lovely, tasty cucumbers. Love you all very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe,